You're gonna have him right up the rock? No, he's gonna go straight into the wall right there.
He's not gonna. He might. I'd come forward and try that.
No.
No, you don't think so?
No.
You don't think he has that much flex?
Okay.
Just go straighten it out as much as you can. Go to the driver. A little more right there. Now go there. Try to throw a little rock here for you.
Cheater rock!
On a counter gift certificate.
I'm thinking if he gets his front tire here and then that second up rock, not the tall one, but the second one.
Drew, you had to stack rocks for me too.
So come forward and go passenger just a bit. Right there, and now come driver.
Oh, there we
Right
go.
there, perfect.
Nice.
Now forward. Passenger forward. Passenger. There you go. Now come forward. Come driver a little bit. You're going to come down on that side. Come driver a little more.
Yeah, buddy.
And now, yep, passenger.
Now I'm going around that rock that way.
You know what? It'd probably be best to go this way and try and go over the rock. My line.
You're going to have to go passenger hard to get that off.
Yeah, my line sucked.
You got big enough tires to be able to. There you go.
There we go.
There you go. Tire's gonna come up on this rock if you can climb it. Now come driver. Come a little bit and come driver.
Oh, he's got to come down hard on it.
Yeah, come driver. And start going forward. You're gonna come down hard. There you go.
There we go. Move the rock for us.
Yeah, move the rock. Just keep coming forward. Ooh. There you go. Nice. That back tire is just climbing it.
Oh.
Driver.
There we go. Driver.
And you're clear. Nice driving, man. Good job.
Damn it,
Good
boy.
job.
Nice.
Good job. Tire and everything. All right, come forward. Okay, driver, just a hair. Driver. As soon as you go driver, you're gonna want to go passenger. Come driver.
Okay.
Right there. Now go passenger and come up. Okay, come.
Yeah.
Come this way.
Oh.
You know what?
Yeah.
Yeah, Bob. He's owning it, man. Go passenger. Yeah. Keep coming. Now driver.
Gets a tiny bit of momentum, he can make it.
Yeah. You might have to bump it. There you go, right there. There you go.
Here, let me get on this side.
Oh, that might work.
Yeah.
There you go.
Take it.
Go! Come driver, go! There you go! Woo! That's awesome! Nice work! Hey,
Man, I was going for a ride.
That was awesome!
Not too far.
Right there. Now up the passenger.
Perfect.
Up and turn into it.
Woo!
Hey, that worked. Bump it up. There you go.
There we go.
Oh, you got this. Come driver.
Yeah.
You know how you just stalled out? Don't stall. Right there. Easy. Don't stall.
Now he's gonna have
You
to
goosed
come.
it.
There we go.
Okay, animal.
Oh, that's a nice photo there.
There you go, right there.
I hope somebody's taking pictures of this.
I'm trying. This is
Hang on,
a.
Jason.
That's some good pictures there.
This is gonna end poorly.
I would go passenger and ride it out, man. That'd be your best bet. Everybody clear out.
Yeah.
Passenger and throttle it out.
Just
All right,
roll it out.
Driver and throttle it out.
Just landing.
There you go.
Oh. Well, there goes your trailer connector. It's too. Yeah, back up. Yeah, Matt don't need no spotter.
Good work, man. Good work.
Put it down, throttle up.
Yeah.
Maybe not that much.
That's a good throttle, though.
You know, just push it right out of the way there, man. Run right up to that rock and push it out of the way.
There's the move. He's like, I'm going around it. I'm not going over it like all you guys.
I just moved it out of the way.
Good driving, man. Good work. Good work. All right.